Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Yes, you read the title right, I caused this dip. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna show you with my brand new indicator how I could do this, what were my implications in this recent crash, and yeah, how should we reorganize our strategies or our mindset probably. So before we go into the new indicator which I created, and I'm gonna show it to you at the end, I want to talk about the Bitcoin's price and where I see it going. Also, I want to talk about the Elrond price action and the Maiar exchange, because yes, it is down and people are struggling or worrying maybe. And the question is, am I worrying? So yeah, let's go through the Bitcoin first. Also, yeah, use a VPN. Here is my Twitter tag. There is Discord link in the description. Join us. So we just dipped down to the 41,000. We are back at the 48,000 and everyone is already yelling that we will come back in a V or V shape, which I don't think. I think we will revisit the 41 couple of times more. I don't think that we will reach to the 80,000 in the next 3 weeks, as everyone, or maybe most of the people, is anticipating. Also, I don't think that we will go to the 10,000s as the rest of the people are anticipating. As always, I say that we are gonna witness a flat correction from here with some dips here and there, maybe a bigger one, smaller one. Now it seems that the 41 is one of the bigger supports. Many people bought the dip, others are selling, and obviously a lot of people were liquidated. Those who are trading with leverage, those who are trading in the futures. As I always tell you, don't trade with leverage, with the money you can't lose. Hell, don't even invest in crypto with money you can't lose, okay? And really just trade with leverage with the money which you can throw and you willingly throw out the window. So what I think will happen, I think we will revisit at least once the 41,000s. Probably we will go down and the fear index will go even lower. Not that it's not low enough, it's in extreme fear already. But this is how happens with Bitcoin. No, I don't think that we are in a bear market yet, because it is not confirmed. And if you want to get some confirmation, I think that the 50-week moving average will hold the price. I do think that that we will bounce back off as we did here in July. Let's see what happens with Elrond. Elrond is at the $270 and people feel it as a rug pull. Now, I don't think it's a rug pull. I think Bitcoin's price action has a very big effect, along with the Maiar exchange problems, because they found a couple of bugs and they are working on it. Now, if you ask me if it's better to have a downtime and make sure that people have their rewards and they can harvest maybe from tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, then having system which can be easily hacked and people could lose their rewards. So I'm not worried about Elrond at all. To be honest, this was the first downtime for Elrond network, whatever Elrond network team did. Therefore, yeah, I just don't care. Yeah, they will get it fixed. Maiar exchange will be up and running again, and we will claim those juicy rewards. They will continue to provide us with passive income. And yeah, this is just a short temporary breakdown, so don't really worry about that. Just to give you an example, today in the morning I just discovered that my car's clutch, let's say, gave up, died. And does this mean that I'm gonna throw away the car? No, because I like it. Does it mean that I will be worried next time when I go for a longer trip? No, because it has nothing to do with reliability. It's just there are things which can break down and they can also be fixed. So yeah, don't worry too much about the Maiar exchange. It will come back again live and we can continue as nothing has happened. So about the price action, I think, yeah, this is the combination of these two. That's why we are at the 270, and it is visible that people are buying up the coins, and it is now very, very oversold. So probably when everything comes back to normal, when Bitcoin just starts to, I don't know, go go sideways, or people will consider it going sideways, and will get back their courage to buy in, yeah, I think that the altcoins will have another bounce again. Now, if you are down with your portfolio, you are not alone. I am also down with several thousands of dollars, but yeah, this is crypto. So as long as you're not hacked, as long as only the value decreased in your portfolio, nothing to worry about. Now, speaking of the things seriously, what will happen if we do break the 50-week moving average? There is always hope. There is always something we can rely on or grab on. But if we do go down, if we go revisit the 40,000s, then that will be a bit painful. And for me, the level of from where I will say that we are in a bear market is when Bitcoin makes a new lower low. Not a new, sorry, a lower low. Because right now we have higher lows, higher highs, and this was a very, very low point, but it came back. Now the 50-week moving average is holding the price. If we make another higher high, which will be another all-time high, then I will say that, okay, this is still the bull run. Now, don't forget that that could be also the blow off top. If we say that from the 64 it went to the 68,000, that was just a 7%. But if from the 68,000 goes another 7%, that will be a $75,000 per Bitcoin. And that is the moment when I take profit, when I will sell my Bitcoin, probably more than half of it, because I want to keep that money and wait for the blow off top and put it back into Elrond to stake it. Obviously, I think this was clear from the beginning that this is my plan. Now I want to show you my brand new indicator, and be careful. You might laugh a bit, but based on historical data, it is applicable. And unfortunately, every time I go and visit my parents, Bitcoin dips. And as you can see, I also noted here what I was doing at those dips. So at the first one in May, that was my sister's engagement party. I went visiting my parents. Bitcoin went, we know 50%. After that, the second dip was when everyone was thinking that we are gonna go up, but I went camping. Sorry. In July, on the 17th actually was my sister's wedding, and on the 19th Bitcoin went to the other low and revisited the 29,000s. We were back up running, everyone was very hopeful, but I went to one of my friends' wedding. Sorry about that. We went back and revisited the 40,000s, and after that obviously we saw the all-time highs, and I went home to visit my parents again, because I was thinking that it's about time, not for the dip, for the visit. And yeah, you all remember Saturday's price action, or Friday's actually. So right now what I want to do with this indicator, I'm gonna share with you what are my plans for the future so you can prepare. As you can see, on the 21st of December this month, I will go home again, because yeah, I will stay a couple of days before the New Year's Eve party, or I don't know, ski trip. Therefore, on the 21st, around the 21st December, be careful, because probably you will be able to buy some Bitcoin or any other altcoins cheaper. Therefore, don't buy around this time, only after you saw the 30-40% drop. That is the sign that I got home and got yeah, pretty comfortable, so Bitcoin will go down. So yeah, for January I still don't know what are my plans. I don't plan to visit my parents, at least until March, because I really want to see Bitcoin do a big blow off top, so I'm just gonna stay put. Jokes aside, it is very, very interesting to see this chart. I still don't think that we are in a bear market, and I still think that we will go up. However, the 150,000 for me, it's a bit unreachable for December. It might be for February, but I also don't think that this bull run will go until February. So obviously everyone needs to do whatever they think it's the best. For me, if we reach and when we reach the $75,000 in Bitcoin, that is when I'm gonna sell a bigger chunk of my holdings, and I will stay put with my stablecoins to make sure that I buy in at a very, very big drop. This is all I wanted to talk about today. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you didn't get upset with my new indicator, but with all the manipulations what we have here, and in these times when most of the people are bearish and yeah, probably a lot of money were lost, we need to try and laugh at ourselves just to push down the panic, because yeah, better days always will come, and after each dip there is a small or a bigger run. So don't panic. Everything will be alright. We just need to wait it out. Thanks again for watching, and I see you next time. Take care.